In 2022, Verizon was found to be throttling VPN traffic on its wireless network, significantly slowing down or even blocking VPN connections. This affected users' ability to protect their privacy and access content freely. VPNs work by encrypting internet traffic through secure tunnels. Verizon's throttling interfered with this process, using techniques like deep packet inspection to slow encrypted VPN data. The fix involved legal settlements, where Verizon paid compensation and agreed to stop throttling, along with policy changes and technical adjustments to ensure fair VPN access. As of March 2026, Verizon has fully addressed these issues, complying with settlements and restoring VPN functionality. Verizon used deep packet inspection to throttle VPN traffic. Deep packet inspection, or DPI, is a technique that examines the contents of data packets flowing through a network. Network equipment uses DPI to look inside data packets, analyzing their structure and identifying patterns or signatures. By recognizing specific VPN signatures in the encrypted traffic, Verizon could identify which packets belong to VPN connections. Once identified, Verizon would throttle these connections, slowing speeds by as much as 99% during peak times. This throttling made using VPNs for activities like streaming Netflix or general browsing extremely difficult, as connections became unusably slow. Verizon faced multiple class action lawsuits and an FCC investigation due to its VPN throttling practices. In 2023, Verizon agreed to a $10 million settlement, which included cash payouts and free services for affected users. While Verizon didn't admit wrongdoing, it committed to making best efforts to avoid throttling VPNs in the future. Additionally, the FCC ensured Verizon pledged not to interfere with lawful VPN use. To address the throttling issue, Verizon updated its network policies and software to remove DPI-based throttling. Independent audits confirmed compliance by mid-2024, ensuring VPN traffic was no longer singled out for reduced speeds. They also implemented quality of service algorithms to treat all encrypted traffic equally. As of March 2026, Verizon's network is fully compliant with the 2023 settlement agreements that resolved the VPN throttling issue. The company has discontinued throttling VPN traffic across all its networks, including its 5G infrastructure. Verizon's current network policies explicitly prohibit VPN blocking or throttling in its terms of service, with penalties for any violations. This ensures users can access VPN services without interference. Independent VPN performance tests, such as speed tests conducted by third-party firms, show no systemic throttling on Verizon's networks. This marks a complete resolution from the previous issues. To illustrate the change, network traffic filtering that once directed VPN data through throttled tunnels now allows full-speed access, demonstrating Verizon's commitment to fair VPN treatment. Overall, Verizon no longer deprioritizes VPN traffic, ensuring users experience normal speeds and reliable access to VPN services across their entire network. Experts in cybersecurity and telecom fields have provided valuable insights on the Verizon VPN throttling fix. The Electronic Frontier Foundation highlights that while the settlement represents a significant win for net neutrality, ongoing monitoring remains essential to ensure continued compliance. Additionally, experts emphasize that any fixes must incorporate algorithmic transparency to prevent future abuses and maintain trust in network practices. Industry analysts point out that ISP throttling could cost the economy billions of dollars annually in lost productivity, underscoring the importance of Verizon's resolution. Overall, Verizon's fix establishes a new benchmark for the industry, demonstrating how legal and technical measures can effectively address VPN throttling issues. Verizon's VPN throttling had significant user impact, affecting approximately 50 million users with drastic speed reductions. VPN speeds dropped by 80 to 99% during peak times, making services nearly unusable for many. The $10 million settlement payout benefited around 1.5 million claimants, with average refunds of about $6 to $7 per person. By 2025, VPN speeds on Verizon networks improved by 150%, and throttling incidents dropped to near zero. VPN usage surged 25% annually post-2023, with 62% of U.S. adults now using VPNs regularly, partly due to resolved throttling fears. Looking ahead, experts predict that VPN throttling incidents will decline significantly due to emerging AI ethics guidelines and international agreements designed to protect digital rights. Meanwhile, Verizon and other major carriers are shifting toward zero rating models for their own services, which could potentially spark new disputes over fair access. Despite these challenges, the overall outlook remains optimistic for VPN neutrality, with growing advocacy for global standards through international bodies. The Electronic Frontier Foundation and other advocacy groups continue their vigilant monitoring for any potential relapses, particularly as demand for VPNs surges due to heightened privacy concerns.